Huxley's experimental form in Ape and Essence, a movie transcript partially framed inside a couple of Hollywood types seeking its author, is an intriguing choice. I wondered frequently what it accomplished. What does the story frame, offered only in chapter 1 and not again? And then this odd, surreal, hypnotic story with apocalyptic fables, ape characters, and pseudo-Greek chorus beside a post-war irradiated survivor society. What does it add to Huxley's clearly satirical and heavy-handed lecturing on human morality? My answer is largely nothing, but a creative distraction. Perhaps from the ranting politics of its author, only poorly disguised as the scriptwriter himself. So distracting was this Quaalude-induced story building that I had a difficult time enjoying Huxley's vision for what it was. A darkly accurate portrayal of how close to the cultural skin our biology sits. How a literal flick of the social switch can turn human behavior upon itself, transform our sense of reason and submission, surrender our ambition to happiness to one of deserved misery. And it requires little more than a reinterpretation, a reinscribing of our existing symbols to accomplish it. As intimate as culture and biology are, so too are Christianity and devilry, procreation and devastation, abeyance and detestation, peace and destruction. Now, many are reading this now in the 2020s as prophetic of our current political malaise globally and in the United States. And I agree that we can be much informed by books like this. Our politician machinations and our own subservience might be made more transparent. But nothing about Huxley is merely contemporary. This condition of fragility has always existed. And for this, missing Huxley, for the over-obsessed Orwell, misses something darker in our own hearts. So, reading Ape and Essence now, whenever your now is, makes a lot of sense. Just swallow hard at the opening weirdness. Feel free to dig into the first chapter's historical references, or not, but dwell on the story. And pray for detumescence.